In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an impressive text slider in your Wix website for the year 2025. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. If you're already logged in, you'll simply go to My Site 1, where you'll find all your website editing tools and options. Once you're in the editor, look for the plus icon on the left-hand menu. This icon is your gateway to adding new elements to your site, and it's a crucial step for introducing any kind of multimedia content, including our text slider today. Clicking on the plus icon will open a drop-down menu listing all the different elements you could add to your website. In this expanded menu, you'll want to click on Text. This section houses various text-related tools and features that Wix provides. It's from here that you can add headings, paragraphs, and more, but for our purposes, we're interested in a more dynamic presentation. Now navigate to and click on the impressive text slider. This is a specific feature provided by Wix to enhance the visual appeal of your website by introducing slides that contain text elements. It's inherently customizable and can make your site look more professional and engaging to your visitors. Next, you will be presented with an agreement page that lays out the terms and conditions of using this feature. To proceed, simply click on Agree and Add. This indicates your acceptance of Wix's conditions for this slider, and it will automatically be added to your site. Having added the slider, the next step is to customize it. Locate and click on Settings to adjust your text slider properties. These settings will allow you to fine-tune how your slider looks and operates to fit the overall design and flow of your website. Within the settings, look for the Slides section. Click on this to access the slide management tools. You can add, remove, or adjust individual slides here, ensuring that each one accurately and effectively represents the message you wish to convey. Now, you're ready to create a new slide within your slider. Look for and click on the Create New Slide option. This feature allows you to continue building your narrative or presentation by adding as many slides as necessary, each focusing on distinct content. Once you have your slides ready, go back to Settings. Then click on Animations. Animations can help grab attention and make the transitions between slides more visually appealing, keeping your audience engaged longer. After animations, you'll want to set up Navigation by clicking on its tab. Effective navigation ensures that users can easily browse through your slider without any hitches, enhancing user experience. Then if you wish to add a custom touch, click on Widget. This can provide additional functionality or design elements tailored to your website's needs. Lastly, personalize the text within your slides by clicking on Custom Fonts. Select styles and weights that match your website's theme, ensuring consistency in branding, and there you have it, a professional looking text slider that will undoubtedly impress your site's visitors. Thank you for joining me today, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.